That's obviously the Empire State Building.
The Empire State Building. Sir, please, can you ease up on the jokes for a minute? If you see the Empire State Building in this picture, you're obviously not taking this test seriously. Now let's try again with the same picture. What do you see here?
A train accident.
Are you sure?
Yes, pretty much. I know a train crash when I see one.
Very well, my friend. It's your call. Now, looks like we're on a roll here. Tell me, Mr. Hicks, what about this one?
They're all squashed butterflies, can't you tell?
I told you that it depends entirely on the person looking at them. Where you see a squashed butterfly, another man would see a plane on fire. And neither of you would be right nor wrong. Understood?
100%, but I assure you that's a squashed butterfly.
Very well, very well. Let's continue. Now take a look at this one. What do you see, Dr. Hauser?
I see a chimp in a tux. So cute.
So, a classy chimp. Very well.
Hey, don't put words in my mouth. I didn't say he was classy. Of course, he's wearing a tux, but if you look closer, you'll see he doesn't have class at all. His tie is askew, his shirt isn't tucked in, and don't even get me started on that vest. It doesn't even match the blazer at all. This guy's a phony. It's curious, funny even, but definitely not classy.
Very well. A chimp in a tux.
Looking extravagant, but not elegant.
Extravagant, but not elegant. Okay, that's it. I am done listening to your delusions. That is not my job, goddammit.
Actually it is, Doc.
I don't care. The test is over. You suffer from a very severe case of acute kleptomania.
Is that diagnosis based on my answers?
No, it is based on the fact that I saw you furtively stealing one of my cards while I was making notes, which, by the way, is really stupid because those cards are there for anyone to take. Did you really think I wouldn't notice? I'm right here, for God's sake. Anyway, I believe one of two things is happening here. Either you're having me on for some reason, or you're just a complete imbecile. In any case, if you ever come back to my office, I'm afraid I will have to call the authorities.
I really didn't understand any of that, but I suddenly feel unwelcomed here. I pass. I don't want to play with it anymore. Okay, we're about to confirm that thing about opening doors with a credit card is just another one of Hollywood's lies. Ooh, bingo. Aw, what a bastard. I always thought I got the biggest room. That goddamn lunatic. I'm sure this is all part of his eccentric security system. Now you're mine, precious. Nice convention, huh?
Maybe for you. God.
What the hell is wrong with you? You look like you're dying or something.
Oh, I can't take this anymore.
What happened, man?
That hot dog vendor happened. He's tried to poison me.
Really?
I was hungry, okay? But I don't like chocolate, so I bought a hot dog from that guy and... Oh, God!
And, what can I do to help?
Kill that bastard.
I'd love to, but I don't think that's within my capabilities.
Then you're of no use to me, kid.
I, brought this miniature if you're interested.
Oh, God. Is that a Millennium Enterprise?
What are you, blind as well? Of course it's a Millennium Enterprise. Collector's edition, I might add.
Oh, I'm dying.
I see. Well, no one should leave this world without acquiring one of these.
Listen, I'm a big fan of Trek Wars. I've been a fan since I was a kid. I always wanted to have the Millennium Enterprise, but...
But
right now I'm suffering from this indescribable pain. I can't do business in this state. I need help.
Okay. Do you want me to call an ambulance?
No, I don't like ambulances. They're so noisy and they have no style.
Are you serious? You look like you're gonna blow up any second now. You need some help.
What I need is a damn coffee. Oh!
What do you want coffee for?
God! Isn't it obvious? That hot dog almost killed me. I have a knot in my stomach, and I need to unload right away.
Oh, I get it, but, why don't you just use a laxative?
Do you have any?
Well, no, but I could throw one together. I just need to get my hands on a few choice ingredients. God, I love doing that.
No weird experiments. I just want a damn coffee.
All right, I hear you, but I don't think there's any coffee machines around here. I mean, I've seen plenty of nerds that are just crying for a serious beatdown, but no trace of a coffee machine.
That damn fucker has a cup.
Who?
The hot dog guy.
Then why don't you ask him for it? I mean, it is an emergency.
I did, but he won't give it to me.
Bummer.
It's not just that he sold me a bad hot dog, but now he refuses to... Oh, God, get me that coffee.
All right, I'll see what I can do, but I'm not promising anything. I'll be right back.
Go find a security guard. Tell him someone's tried to poison me.
But are you sure about this? What if it's not his fault?
Do it!
All right, but just so you know, that's not the best way to ask for a favor.
The bluntness of my words is due to the excruciating pain I find myself in.
And that's the only reason I'm gonna forgive you. Hey, how's it going, pal?
Not great. Looks like these nerds only spend their money on crap.
Slow day, huh?
I've only sold one dog today. To that guy Mel.
Yeah, I know. And he says your hot dog is the reason he's about to puke his guts up right now.
Impossible. I only deal in the finest quality meat. Guaranteed.
Look, I believe you, but something's going on. That guy is writhing around in agony over there. He was just fine before eating that hot dog.
If this is some kind of trick to get a free dog, Nice try, but no dog.
May I have that cup of coffee?
You too. Listen, kid, this is my coffee, and I need it if I'm going to make it through this circus.
But, Mel could really use it.
Yeah, I know that Mel guy wants my coffee too. He has asked me already, and not very politely, you know?
You have to understand, he needs to unload right away.
I don't care. It wasn't my hot dog that made him sick, that's for sure. And I'm not giving my coffee to a guy that rude. It's my coffee. Got it?
Got it. Do you really think coming here was a good idea?
I was told this hot dog junkie would be around. I'd do good with that guy.
Good old Murray.
Exactly. But he's guarding the front door, and I'm not allowed to set my cart there, so I'm stuck in here. But honestly, I was expecting to see more lard jobs around in a place like this.
Yeah, it sucks not having fat people around. Fat jokes are so much more funny when there's porkers to get offended.
Okay.
Well then, see ya.
What? You're not going to buy anything? After all the chit-chat?
I never said I would.
Oh, well, okay. Get out of here.
Hey, Murray, we have a code brown here.
What?
Someone's tried to poison the pawn shop guy.
Is that true?
I never lie about something that serious.
I see, but yeah, I'm not allowed to leave my post. I'm afraid you'll have to ask someone else.
Oh, I can't believe it. I always thought of you as someone who's not afraid to throw his hat over the wall for the good of mankind.
I can't just leave the door unattended, kid. But tell me, what happened?
Nell claims it was the hot dog guy.
What? There's a hot dog guy in there?
You seem very happy all of a sudden.
He must have come really early, because I didn't see him go past.
Yeah, maybe, I don't know.
It's kind of weird, though. I can't even smell him. And I'm like a bloodhound when it comes to wieners.
Yeah, okay. Hello, Murray. I believe we were talking about a very serious case of poisoning.
Oh, yes, of course. I'll get to the bottom of it. The minute I'm able to leave my post, I'll get in there and I'll begin my investigation.
Attaboy, but please don't hang around. Poor Mel's about to burst.
All right.
Mel? Are you in there?
Oh, I hope you're deaf and you're here to put an end to my suffering.
Better yet, it's me, Randal.
Who?
That Emerson Express delivery guy, you know. We were talking about your stomach problems a little while ago.
Oh, yeah, sure. The Millennium Enterprise guy.
Yeah, that's me.
Great. Do you have that coffee?
Well, no.
Then get out of here! Oh, I need total concentration. And for that, I need to be alone.
Fine. I want you to know that I just told security what's going on.
Oh, God. If you're talking about that constable.